What's up? So today I'm going to show you how to make your bike sound like a motorcycle. So first you're just going to get something plastic. I'm using this protein drink thing. And you're going to want to crush it. So I'm just going to crush it like that so it's kind of like flat. So now I'm just going to figure out a way to make it stick in here on the wheel. If you have hydraulic brakes that go over here, that's a lot better for this because it doesn't get in the way of your brakes. These won't stop your braking power, but it's just harder to get on when you have it. Alright, so let's see. It sounds like a motorcycle. Listen to that! That's a motorcycle! Let's go, bro! No. So, yeah. Y'all definitely gotta try this. It's amazing. Just super fun to do. So, yeah, subscribe, please.